This video is to show you how to replace your air conditioner filter so the filter keeps dirt and dust out of your air conditioner system. So before starting, you want to turn off your HVAC system. You can do this at your thermostat. First thing you want to do is actually locate your air filter. Mine's in my return air duct. There I am unlatching the grill. There we go, falling off the wall. Yep, put it back in. Alright, removing the old filter, taking it out, being careful not to drop it down the return duct. There's the new one. And there I go, trying to figure out how to show you these numbers where they're not upside down. That's the size of the air filter. It's important that you get the right size. Just check the old filter, it should have the size written on there somewhere. If not, you can always get your tape measure out and measure the length and width and find your air filter that way. So another important thing is the airflow direction. You can see on the filter there that it has an arrow pointing. That will show you which way to insert the filter into the air duct. There I go, trying to throw the filter down into the air duct. So the return duct is pulling air in, so you want to have the arrow pointing down into the air duct. So now the new filter's in, all that's left is to close the latches, and we're done. On a side note, I did talk to an HVAC guy one time who told me not to buy the expensive fancy filters. He said the purpose of the filter is not to purify your air, it's just to keep dirt out of your system. He said that actually makes your system work harder, so don't waste the money on the expensive ones, just buy the cheaper ones, they're fine. Well, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.